Hello, my name is Michael Kibler of Kibler's Typewriter Company, and today I would like to show you one of the machines that I have for sale on my website. And this here is a Smith Corona Sterling made in the 1960s, serial number 5AX-162077. Wow, this is an amazing machine. Not only is it cosmetically appealing, but it's also mechanically one of the most sound machines I've ever had the pleasure to deal with. This machine has a metal body, not one of those cheap plastic bodies you see in typewriters in the 60s and later. And I mean, in terms of just sheer feel and control, it was probably one of the better machines of its day. And it really shows in its design. I'm going to read off the decals for you. This is not really a decal, it's a sticker. It says push tab up to release machine. And over here you have Sterling. SCM, which means Smith Corona machine. Smith Corona. And then you have made with skill, packed with care. It's like a piece of packing tape with painter's tape with their logo on it. And I'd just like to point out that the case is in excellent condition. I shined up the chrome, cleaned up the handle, made everything work smoother, oiled it, so all the mechanisms work better. And in order to release this machine from the case, you just press the lever down here up, it lifts right out. Plug it in, press the lever down on the top, and you're good to go. I got this machine as a gift, and had many fun months working with it, playing with it, typing on it, and it's a real workhorse. I mean, if you're going to look for a machine to get you through heavy-duty typing, this is it right here. And also, I'm offering it cheap for only $130 because I want this machine to go quickly, because I don't want to have to be tempted by it. So yeah, I'm going to do a quick run over of its features. Has on keyboard margin set and clear, margin release, tabulator, your standard QWERTY keyboard, basket shift lock, backspace, very nice long character turn lever, 1, 2, 3 line spacing, and it also has a nice paper table. And this entire machine is just very snappy feeling. If you really want to, you can just pop that back there and you'll see the margins, and you can, for easy access to the machine's back. So yeah, I'm going to do a quick typing test, which is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and this will test all the letters of the alphabet to make sure that all the keys are working as they are supposed to be. And by the way, this has a brand new red-black ribbon that I installed myself. And here's a show that red works too. Alright, so spelled fox wrong. That's cute. Let's try that in red. See a close-up of that. This camera is so convenient. Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Very nice font, very nice impression, and a very nice snappy machine. And if you have any questions about this wonderful typewriter, please feel free to ask me. And if you have any other questions or video requests, I'll be happy to take them into consideration. This has been a Kibler's Typewriter Company video production. Until next time, see you later.